Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to calculate relative frequency and frequency density of the given frequency distributions. In the first column, you see the class interval which represents the range of marks, and the next you see the frequency which is the number of students whose marks falls within each class interval. The relative frequency is calculated by dividing the frequency of each class interval by the total frequency. So for this class, the frequency is 5 and the total frequency is 80. So the relative frequency for this class is calculated as 5 divided by 80. And the next 11 divided by 80. And the rest is calculated as follows. These are all the relative frequency for the given class interval. Frequency density is mainly used when class intervals have different widths, especially while drawing histograms. Before calculating the frequency density, you need to calculate the class width. For this class interval, the class width is calculated as n minus 0, which is nothing but the limit minus lower limit. For the next class, the upper limit is 30 and the lower limit is 10. And for the third class, the upper limit is 40 and the lower limit is 30. For the last class, upper limit is 50 minus the lower limit, which is 40. After this, you need to calculate the frequency density, which is nothing but the frequency divided by the class width. For these class intervals, the frequency is 5 and the class width is 10. So for this second class, frequency is 11 divided by the class width 20. And for the third class, frequency is 19 and the class width is 10. For the last class, frequency is 25 and the class width is 10. So these values are used as the height of the bar in a histogram with unequal class intervals. Thank you.